Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Universe Sam. This quick video is about how to change Gmail password and profile picture. So let's get started. So we will start with Gmail password. Log into your Gmail account. Click on this gear sign here. That's for the settings. Click on it. Click on see all settings. Accounts and import. The first option here is change password. Click on it. It opens in a new window and it will ask you to sign in again. Put a new password. And it should be a strong one. Click on change password. So now your password has been changed. You can update it here. Okay, now go back to your main page. Okay. Now let's change the profile picture. Click on this icon here. That's your profile right now. And there are two ways you can change your profile picture. You can click on this button here, or you can change it from here. So let me try from this side first. And it's asking me to upload any photo from my computer, and I can pick up any photo from here. Open. All right, so once I get this, I can resize it, and there you go. I want to set this one as my profile photo. Okay, come back here and refresh. Okay, now you see your profile picture has been changed to this one. Okay, now I'll go here, click on this one. Maybe I don't like this one, so I'll just change it to another one. Okay, so from here, you can either pick up from one of these illustrations, or you can go to your computer and upload one from your computer. Same like before. Now this time I'll choose this one. Okay, so I'll pick it up like that, and I would set it as my profile picture. And you will see that it has been changed here. Okay, so this is the way you can change your profile, and you can even remove it to come back to the previous one, which was your default. So if I remove it, I don't want any profile picture right now, so it will come back to my default profile. So this is it from this video today. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.